Hello guys, good evening. I hope you are well. And today we are going to discuss the best and creative, effective ways to earn money online. Uh, so first of all, 29 creative ways to make money online. First one is sell your photos on websites or different platforms. Number second is print on demand or teach online classes. You can also earn through teach online classes. Sell food waste. Okay, recommend your favorite products. Rent your unused space. Sell your services. Productize industry specific skills. Host tours in your city. Test websites. Sell your art. Train your dog. There are all online earning ways how to make money online and sell your stuff online. uh, do random tasks, give your opinion on online surveys, and sell your old clothes, become an online juror, answer questions, and become an online juror. Join writing contents contests, sell NFTs, babysitting, find unclaimed money, join clinical trials, make money in the metaverse, flip furniture, become a fitness instructor, organize others people's things, become a translator, and become a mastery shopper. They're all points that we have discussed. All make money online, and there are many ways potential earning on average $0.35 per image, and through sell your photos. And second one is uh, print on demand. Third one is teach online classes. Yes, this is also online earning ways. Startup costs. Potential earnings beginners can make between $10 and $20 per hour. More experienced or niche class teachers charge upward of $3,000 per course. Turning your industry knowledge into online course is a smart way to make extra money even as a complement to an existing product based business. Take Babel for business. The creators behind Struggles Pro Academy found a unique niche they were knowledgeable about and created a series of profitable online courses around the topic. So next one is sell food waste. This is also very potential earnings, varies from $1 to $20 per pound every year. We throw out 931 million tons of foods. This includes items beyond their best before date or that don't look their best, such as those with small marks or that are deemed the wrong size. So next one is recommend your favorite products. Like, this is also potential earnings unlimited. Chances are you have got list of products you could not live without. You refer one of these products to your friends and this won't feel the same. Affiliate marketing is a way to monetize your passion for helping people connect with the right product. So that's all. We'll discuss in the next video. Thanks. Goodbye.